In this video, I'll show you how to use AI technologies to help you write better descriptions for your print-on-demand design listings, which can improve your product's visibility online, and likely that will help you get more sales. Welcome to Financial Freedom Style, it's Trevor. Whenever you create a new design listings online for your print-on-demand business on the platforms like REDBUBBLE, Etsy, Zazzle, Amazon Merch on Demand, and others, you'll be prompted to give it a title, description, and tags as the standards. From what I've seen, many print-on-demand sellers would work on the titles and tags, but not so much on the description. Some people would even skip the description section completely. And I get it. It is not easy to write something to describe your designs all the time. It feels troublesome and time-consuming, since you have to think about what to write for a new design almost every time, especially when English is not your first language like myself. I was born in Hong Kong and moved to the United States with my family when I was turning 15 in the 90s. Or if you are from a country where English is not commonly used, it can get discouraging when you try to write in English to describe a design to be understood and grammatically correct. Sometimes you don't even know if writing a description for your design is important at all. I thought of that before for sure. But according to an article I've read on the official Zazzle website, it says, in order to ensure the best chances in surfacing within Google's search results pages, you will want to make sure that each of your products have unique and lengthy description for Google to crawl. And don't forget to include those relevant keywords in your descriptions. They will definitely help your chances of getting found. So, if you want your print-on-demand products to get the best chances of organically showing up on Google, which has been the biggest search engine in the world, then you should put some effort on adding descriptions to your product listings. If you want to read more about this article, I put the link in the description for your convenience. Luckily, artificial intelligence technology have become more accessible online these days, and so we should really leverage them to help us do better for our online business. This is a website called OpenAI, and it is currently in beta. At the time of this recording, it is free to sign up, and I don't know if it will stay free forever. So I highly suggest you go to the site and create an account as soon as possible if you also want to use it. I put the link in the description. To sign up, simply click on the green button on the upper right hand corner. Once you are signed in, you will see Playground on the top menu. Click on it to see this powerful tool. But before we continue, there is another amazing tool you want to use. It is called Grammarly. This tool gives you real-time suggestions to improve grammar, spelling, and more. It is also free to sign up. You can start using it once installed on your computer or mobile device. The link is also in the description for your convenience. You can click on the green button to get started, or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom. Look at the list on the left to see where you want to add the tool on. I added Grammarly on my Google Chrome, and you can see the icon on the top that's currently turned on. Once you got both tools, let's go back to the playground in OpenAI. So far, I only used the area where you can type to give information for the AI to work with. I haven't changed any settings on the right hand side, but it's already working well. Halloween is coming, and so I randomly picked two different designs and products from other creators on Zazzle for today's demonstration. Let's try working on the first one. It is a baby shower welcome sign in Halloween theme, and this design can be personalized. So in the playground, we can type something like, write a description of a personalized baby shower welcome sign for Halloween. Then we can click on the submit buttons at the bottom and see what we're gonna get. Very quickly, the tool generated a description with the information you provided for the design. You can see that it is written in good English format. So instead of trying to come up with a description on your own from scratch, this tool gave you something to look at already in just seconds. This can save you a lot of time. You just have to read through the words and see what needs to be adjusted. Like, there's no spider web for this design, so you can just simply edit it out. You can also see Grammarly is working automatically in the background for you. Let's say you don't like this description at all. So what you can do is click on the regenerate buttons to create a new one with the same information you typed earlier. And you can regenerate it as many times as you want. Now, maybe you want to add more information about the design for the AI to work on. What you do is delete the generated text first, and you add to it, like pastel drawing, white background. Instead of clicking on the submit buttons every time, there is a keyboard shortcut that will save you time. It is Ctrl Enter on a PC. And the shortcut key for regenerate is Ctrl Shift Enter on a PC. So you can keep adding or changing the information for this tool to generate different results for you. So after a few more tries, this is by far the description closest to what I wanted. And you see the red underline for the word pastel? That's Grammarly picked up something. Just mouse over it, and you will see they suggest adding a before the word. Left click and it will make the change for you. What you can do is highlight this description and make a copy. Go to your description sections for your design and paste it there. Adjust anything else you need, and there you have a well-written description for your design. Let's try one more. This is birthday paper cups in Halloween themes. There is a cartoon drawing of a ghost with a pink ribbon. So I believe this is designed for a girl's birthday. So it's pretty much similar to the previous one. I start off with write a description of, and I add the information about the design. Except that I want to show you this time, if you want to have certain keywords in the description, I put include girl, fun, festive at the end. And you can see that the result reflects what I asked for. Here's girl, here's fun, and festive. Isn't it cool? Perhaps you want your description to have a little bit more punch to it. Maybe you can try this. Instead of write a description of at the beginning, replace it with write a sales copy of, and you will see the tone is different in the result. I've been using this tool more and more on a regular basis these days, not just for helping me write better design descriptions, but also something else like research, creating sales copies, writing emails, etc. There's still so much to explore with the playground, so I encourage you to just hop in and start trying this tool out as well. You may find out something I haven't discovered yet. Share with me what you found if you would. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and I appreciate it. Also, subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll be notified when there's new updates on this channel. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.